Hi, scholars. So today we are going to learn about a really famous president who lived a long time ago. The USA has had 45 different presidents. Donald Trump is the 45th president, or the 45th person to be the president of the United States. One of the most famous presidents ever is Abraham Lincoln, who was the 16th person to be the president of the United States. I'm going to read a book to you about Abraham Lincoln. And as I read the book, I want you to pay attention to what made Abraham Lincoln a good president. You're going to be telling me two things about Abraham Lincoln that made him a good president. Here we go. Abraham Lincoln. Let me move this over a little bit. Hang on. There we go. People called Abraham Lincoln Honest Abe because he believed in doing what was right. Lincoln was born in Kentucky on February 12, 1809. He grew up on a farm. His family lived in a log cabin. Lincoln worked hard on the farm. He also read many books. He loved to learn new things. Lincoln left home when he was 22 years old. He had many different jobs. He was a storekeeper and postmaster. A postmaster is somebody who delivers mail. Lincoln wanted to learn about the law. Laws are rules we all have to follow. Lincoln became a lawyer. He also helped make laws for the state of Illinois. And then if you click here on this fun nonfiction text feature, it tells us the definition of a lawyer. A lawyer is a person who is trained in the law. In 1842, Lincoln married Mary Todd. They had 4 sons. The Lincoln family lived in Springfield. Springfield is the capital of Illinois, just like St. Paul is the capital of Minnesota. Lincoln joined the United States Congress in 1847. Congress makes the laws for the whole country. The people of the United States believed Lincoln was a very good lawmaker. In 1860, they elected or chose him to be their president. A war began 1 year later. It was called the Civil War. America's northern states and southern states fought each other. At the time, slavery was allowed in the United States. Slavery is when one person owns another person. Lincoln thought slavery was wrong. In 1863, he signed a paper called the Emancipation Proclamation. A proclamation is a public announcement. It's an announcement. It's something that you want everybody to know. This freed all of the slaves. The Civil War finally ended in 1865. Some people were very angry with Lincoln for freeing the slaves. One of those people was John Wilkes Booth. On April 14, 1865, Lincoln went to see a play with his wife. Booth shot Lincoln inside the theater. Lincoln died the next morning. Honest Abe did what was right, even when others did not agree with him. He helped the United States become a place where everyone could live free. After hearing that story, what are 2 things that made Abraham Lincoln a good president? You are going to answer those questions on the seesaw activity. So I want you to think, what made Abraham Lincoln a good president? And then you are going to go on PebbleGo, and you are going to read more about President Trump and President Barack Obama. Alrighty, happy reading, and I hope you learned something new today.